USD has been on a roll here in this set number 3. And look at the energy of Arpasto.
Just like the energy in the previous set by Avila. Diba? Grabe yung momentum swings dito sa game na to. First set, USD was just really full of energy.
Avila trying to respond, and he does.
With a down-the-line hit. Tapos FEU naman on the second set, USD trying to regain their composure and the level of energy in this third set.
FEU trailing by 5.
Oh, and that goes wide. Too much angle on that differential hit. Sayang. Wala na sana makakahuli nun. Wide for USD.
2 straight points for FEU. Dug up there by Avila Beliran. 3 straight points now for the Tamarao.
And it was a challenge to the blockers of USD. Tatlong blockers na ang nasa harap niya, and yet Beliran tested his power, and he won that one.
Jolo Doloiras pops it up. Labrador was there up top.
A free ball now given to FEU.
De Ocampo to JR Labrador.
And Doloiras. Oh, and Ramos, bad decision on his part.
4 straight points for FEU. That's a problem for Coach Emil Ontok and USD.
And look at him still lashing at Ramos.
Tangaan yun! Okay guys, napakasimple naman ang atakihin natin. Panatan mo lang din, tersiyahin mo lang bola. Hindi yung papanoy mo, tataas na saan eh. Kaputan nila, hindi mayain na mataas na papaulit. Ang block natin, hoy! Ang block, bugol! Pag bumablock, pag pahuli ng konti, pag sabay kuha, pag 5. Pag malapit na, hawa ka ng bola.
To Coach Emil Ontok, it doesn't matter how many championships you've won, you're a veteran, how many awards you have, you're still his player, and if you're in need to be taught, Emil Ontok will teach you.
It was really a poor decision on the part of Ramos. He should have taken the hit.
And the good thing about Ramos is he didn't take it badly.
Oh, yes.
He owned up to his mistake. Sabi niya, akin, akin.
Oh, and FEU stringing up 5 straight points when they were down by 6. So it's just a 1-point lead now for Coach Emil Ontok and his team. Avila still on the line.
And USD just stuck at 16. FEU stringing up 6 straight points.
Which is,
what a momentum swing.
you know, Anton, which is really, in a men's game, harder to do. Yung 6 straight points for FEU and no antidote still from USD as Avila, you're putting a stop to their streak. Sabi niya, tama na. Send that away, and USD taking the lead once again. Napagod. Oh, and Depande, of course, the high-flying Depande taking that gift.
And Coach George Pasco unhappy with the effort of FEU after tying the game up. He calls for this timeout.
Natin yung dapat pag-combination ko agad. Sig, ako sa natin. Lab, sumumba ka. Pasingitin mo sa gitna si Sig. Carl, abang ka doon sa dulo. Ay, patalan sa Sig.
Coach George Pasqua giving out his instructions because they badly need to stop this 2-0 run by USD after FEU was able to go on a 6-0 run.
There's on the bench was also there. The FEU bench, Anton Montinola and kasama ng mga players. Anton, Mr. Mark Malina, your screens. Alam mo, napaka-supportive nila. I would see them in all the sports, mostly in the watching and supporting all the FEU teams.
Yeah. Mark Molina perhaps having to take care of about 200 or more athletes for FEU.
Pwede maging daddy ng mga 12 babies at of course, again, Mr. Anton Montinola.
Ito, huwag na pagkakasobrahan niya.
1 point lead for UST. Oh, service error again for FEU. They had 7 in the previous set. Jason Ramos. Maverick Gabriel receives that one. It's a running JR Labrador. Denied there.
That's right. And support coming from their libero was not enough. That's Maverick Gabriel.
Oh! A service ace by Jason Ramos.
Jason Ramos, this is what they need coming from the MVP.
Here he is again. Avila able to dig it up. JR Labrador trying to stop the run of UST. Ramos sets it up to Depante, popped up by Gabriel. Labrador just swiping it off the fingers of those two FEU blockers.
Another close one, although UST up by 3. And again, Coach Emil Lontok still with Ramos, reminding him from offense to defense. Kasi medyo nahuli siya dun sa coverage.
21-18 in favor of UST. Tigers took the first set, 27-25. FEU bouncing back 25-15. That's a point for Depante.
And now Pangan, this is a substitution that Coach Emil usually gives, especially at the end of each set. Pangan to serve. Remember, a while ago, he was sent in and threw that service away. Oh, better serve from Pangan.
Labrador.
Ukang! Smartly giving it to the back row.
And what a time to do that.
Gabriel just too surprised.
Coach George Pasqua just telling his players to relax and stay composed. Now Mosey, coming off that timeout by Coach George Pasqua, in this set we saw FEU crawl back from 16 to 10.
Yup.
And then UST just pulling away once again.
That's right. Showing again a lot of character. UST, I thought they were going to crumble after that 6-point string points coming from FEU. But making up was UST. Now they are just 2 points away in taking this set. But not just yet. FEU still alive. Kala ko tapos na eh. Nakakapanghina ng loob yun. You're up by 6 and then commit string of errors as FEU ties up the ball game. But Avila giving the lead back to UST as Depante. Cross-court hit.
And UST has arrived at set point. Brioso coming back in now for FEU.
Ryan James Brioso. Look at this. It was actually a great angle for Depante to get that open hit.
Oh!
And he ends it with an ace. Back-to-back points coming from Depante.
And USD looking to delay the FEU celebration here in game number 2. One more time, Salvador Juan Depante. Look at the English in the air. USD taking set number 3. Keep it right here on Studio 23 for more. Game 2 of the men's volleyball finals of the UAAP.